Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I really don't know what to say. It feels great to be 40. Again. And I'm going to stay 40 as long as I damn well please. And I'm going to tell you one thing. Every single time we get together outside, it freaking rains. Every single time we get together outside, they try to stop us with this weather and these crazy places that we can't get to easy with rain and storms. And every single time, all of you show up. And let there be no question. Let there be no question. The greatest fucking fans on the face of this earth are right here in Hershey, Pennsylvania tonight. And you are the greatest birthday gift that I could get.